I'm so excited to bring you this cryptocurrency project. It's an app that you can put on your phone or your computer and earn tokens for free. My name is Chino, and without further delay, let's get into it because you have just reached Chino Crypto. What's going on? This is your boy Chino. I'm coming at you with a walkthrough of the Uprock AI earning app. This is a data sharing app that you install on your phone and you earn free tokens for a project that hasn't even launched yet. This is the first of its kind for mobile, for data, and I'm excited to share this with you. So let's take a look. At the very top, as you can see, we're not earning any tokens. All you have to do when you download the app and use my referral link is hit start earning, and then you will start earning tokens. One thing I'm gonna note right now is that if you ever open up the app and you don't seem to be, your connection doesn't seem to be too good, you can just pull the screen down and hit test again, and it'll test your connection speed. The UPT per hour, which is the Uprock tokens that you earn per hour, is determined by your upload and download speed. So you're assigned a connection score, which determines how much tokens you earn per hour. So let's take a look at the rewards here in the middle here. You earn tokens by downloading the app. You don't have to refer anybody, but if you do, you earn rewards. You'll get, for the first week, you'll get 10x their data usage for the first week, and then after that 1% kickback indefinitely. So as you can see here, I'm gonna flip this over. I've got 9 total referrals, but only 2 of them are active. So this project is so new and they continually tweaking it, so you have to keep the app updated and make sure the app is running. For some reason they don't have this running. There's my referral link. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. There's my link, and then there's Puda's link, which is my wife. All right, so I'm gonna go back and finish. There's my total that I have. I encourage you to follow them on Twitter, Discord, and or Telegram, because there you'll get support if you have any issues. They answer all the questions that you have. You can even open a ticket if you're having some technical issues. But the team is great and they're very community driven. All right, I'm gonna go over to the wallet. Before I go over the overview, I'm gonna click on transactions. So the transactions tab tells you how much tokens that you're mining. Where it says mining, every line item is mining, and it updates every hour and it shows you how many tokens you've earned on an hourly basis. If I go down to referral kickback, every referral that you have, it'll tell you how much you've made from that particular referral. So every referral will have their own line item, and this is indefinitely. It's pretty cool. Just wanted to go over that. So let's take a look at the breakdown here. So as you can see, 592 tokens, the total wallet value is only 9 cents. And I'm gonna explain that in a minute. The main UPT, which is the mining that I've done on my phone, I have is 533. The rewards for my referrals is 58.94. That's where that total of 592 comes up. Now, the one rewards is what that total wallet value is. One is a new project that launched 2 months ago, and I'm very bullish on it. They're a launch pad. I mean, they're doing a lot of different things, but very, very community driven as well. So just by having this app on your phone and mining tokens, you'll be mining Uprock and Win tokens as well. So it's nothing like a 2-for-1. The last tab is the rewards tab. And just to explain it real quick, this says here, this needs to be updated. But basically, for every referral, like I mentioned, you get 10x their data usage for the first week. After that, a 1% kickback on all your referrals. Again, there's my referral link. Use that so you can start earning tokens right away. And all you got to do when you download the app, beside hitting the start earning button, is to complete your profile. Just basic information, email address, your name. You can upload a profile image, maybe of yourself, or it could be a logo or whatever you want. It doesn't have to be your picture. Just 4 things, make sure those are checked and you're good to go. This is your boy Chino. Stay tuned for my next videos. Please like, subscribe, and follow. And let's make some passive income in crypto. Have a good day.